You want to win No Nut November, but can't stop nutting? Have you been trying every year but failing miserably? Keep your head up, because we got you. Here are some tips and tricks to help you win this November. Yeah, the NNN rules only talk about not nutting, but do you think watching porn is the ideal way to fight your urge? Unfollow the adult content pages you follow on your social media. Or delete all your social media apps for the month. Honestly, that might take care of half your problems, not just with nutting but in life. You don't have to agree, but think about it. Cause if you try to bust a nut outside, you'll most likely be arrested. With all that saved semen, you're probably feeling a lot more energized. Use that energy to get some physical exercise and start working for that summer body this winter. Pick up a book. Novels are a good way to escape from reality for a little while. And it works, especially since masturbation is part of your reality. Hey, who wants to fap when they're reading the last part of The Lord of the Rings? Every time you get an urge. When you feel like you just gotta jerk one out, think about that post-nut clarity. Do you really want to be in that state? Think before you wank. What do you gain out of it? Instead, spend time developing meaningful relationships. Most people who forgot masturbation see a clear improvement in their social skills. Instead of jacking off and falling asleep, you get the time, energy, and motivation to incite conversations and share information with people. This will help you improve your social value, which makes you naturally more attractive. And thereby more desirable in everyone's eyes. Install BlockerX. In case you feel like NNN is too much of a challenge in the still of the night, BlockerX will make sure you don't lose. With this app, you won't be able to access any adult content website, nor will you be able to delete it, increasing your chances of making it through the month. Find a support group. It could be your friends, it could be your family. If you don't feel comfortable asking for help, find help online. On BlockerX, you have access to the online community where you can discuss and get help to fight your addiction. Keep a daily target. Instead of wondering how you'll go without nutting until the end of the month, work on not masturbating for that day. Setting daily limits will help you get the longest streak. What if I still fail? It's okay. You fail so you can learn from your mistakes. But don't make it an excuse to spend all of November beating your meat. Just dwell on that post-nut clarity. This November, let's kick the jerk out. You can do this. We believe in you. Remember, hands up, gun down. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos in this series.